Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel creativegraphicz.com. And let's see what I brought for you guys today. Today we going to make this cool infographic animation using Filmora 12. Before going to the video, please like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications for my day-to-day update. So let's go to the video. Okay guys, first you need to download this image and video clip. So I put all files in the description. You can download it. Okay, so I add this image to the timeline. Then I add this video clip too. Then I drag this layer to the end. So this is the animation we using to show value. But we don't need this white circle. We want this 3D blue circle. So let's see how to do it. So go to the Effects tab, and search Remove White Background Effect. Then add it to this layer. Okay, now our 3D blue circle is showing like this. So when you full screen this video, you can see it has a little white border. So we need to remove it. So select this layer, and go to the effect settings. Then change the feather radius to 0. Okay, now you can see the white border is removed. So now we need to add a counter for this. So go to the Sticker tab, and select Countdown. So I select this animation and add it to the timeline. Then go to the 100, and cut this layer. Okay, now we need to remove this circle line. I use the mask for it. So you can easily follow my steps for this. Okay guys, now you can see the countdown is going in opposite directions. So let's see how to fix this. So select this layer, and go to the speed. Then select reverse. Okay, now it going in the same direction. So you can add additional text or whatever you want for this. So I add my custom text preset for this. Okay guys, let's see how to change this circle color. So select this layer, and go to the Effects tab. Then select Boris FX, and select Grads and Tints. Then search Colorize Gradient Effect, and add it to this layer. Then go to the Effects tab, and set GPU rendering to 16-bit. And you can change the color using the mid-tones and highlight settings. So I change my circle color like this. Okay guys, now it looks like this. So you can see the number and percentage marks have more space. So I adjust the percentage mark like this. Okay, now it's done. Let's export this project. Okay, then I add my exported video to Filmora. Then I delete these layers, we don't need these again. Okay, now we need to make an empty circle. So I add this image again. And we need to remove this color. So go to the Effects tab, and select this Colorized gradient effect. Then add it to this layer. Then go to the Effects tab, and set GPU rendering to 16-bit. Then change the shadow, mid-tones, and highlight color to white. Okay guys, now it looks like this. Then add our exported video to the timeline. Okay, let's customize this animation. So I select speed ramping and select customize. Then you can select any value you want. So I select 65% for this. Then click this freeze frame icon to stop this animation. So this is the freeze frame duration. So I drag it to the end. Then I delete this part because we don't need it. Okay, you can adjust the speed ramp you like. Okay, now we want to visible our empty circle. So go to the Effects tab, and search Remove Black Background. Then add it to this layer. Okay, our main part is done. So you can add more text animations and backgrounds for this. So I show you some examples. Okay guys, our animation is done. Let's see it.
Te quiero a ti, te quiero a ti, a ti, a ti, a ti, pero te quiero a ti, te quiero a ti, a ti.
Okay guys, this is the how to make amazing infographic animation using Filmora 12. So if you want to learn more like these Filmora tutorials, please like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more tutorials like this, and also leave a comment your idea about this video. So see you guys in the next vid. Take care and peace.